Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today's episode is about songs that are based on one of my favorite rags, Rag Sohni, or Hamsa Nandi in the Carnatic style. This rag is actually sung in the late part of the night. It's a rag that expresses a lot of yearning and it's a very languorous sounding rag. It's not an overly rich rag in the sense of you cannot do much expansion and exploration with it. Rag Bahar is another example of that, where it's a limited rag and yet so stunningly beautiful and perfect to include in film music because you don't need much expansion and exploration in film music. So the first song I want to share today is from a famous movie. It's called Suvarna Sundari. The movie was actually made by a Telugu producer. It was made simultaneously in Telugu and Tamil. It starred Anjali Devi as the lead in both versions. And in the Telugu version, A. Nageshwara Rao was the lead. And in the Tamil version, it was Gemini Ganeshan. Lata ji suggested that this movie be made in Hindi as well. And A. Nageshwara Rao and Anjali Devi were taken as leads for the Hindi version. So imagine this movie was not dubbed, it was actually remade in all of these languages. The music was stunning for the movie. Adi Narayana Rao, who was the husband of Anjali Devi, he actually composed the music for all versions. Pandit Bharat Vyas wrote the lyrics for the Hindi version. This song technically is a Ragamalika, which means it has other rags included in it, but the main portion of the song is set in Rag Sohni. Rafi Saab Lataji from Suvarna Sundari, Kuhu Kuhu Bole Koyaliya.
जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती डाली डाली कलियों को तितलियां चूमे फूल फूल पंखड़ियां खोले अमृत घोले सकता है मेघराज ने बादरिया का शाम शाम मुख चूम लिया हो सकता है मेघराज ने बादरिया का शाम शाम मुख चूम लिया हो चोरी चोरी मन पंछी उड़े नैना जुड़े
Bedard Zamana Kya Jane. I'm not making a statement, it's the name of a movie. It released in 1959. As the title suggests, it was an uber dramatic movie with all kinds of odd twists and turns. Amazing star cast. Ashok Kumar, Nirupa Roy, Jabin Jalil, Iftikhar, Amir Bai Karnataki, Pran. Truly amazing star cast, but somehow the movie was not for me. I did not enjoy it. The music was pretty good though. Kalyanji Anandji with Pandit Bharat Vyas writing all the lyrics. This particular song that is set in Rag Sohani, again, it's a beautiful song. Mukesh ji has sung it, but it is so odd. The setting is in a nightclub or some such. Jabin Jalil is sort of dancing to this song. Sudesh Kumar is sitting at the piano and playing this song and singing it. It's just really kind of an odd picturization, in my opinion, for the kind of song that it is. From Bedard Zamana Kya Jane, Naina Hai Jadoo Bhare.
नैना है जादू भरे हो गोरी तोरे नैना है जादू भरे हो हम पे छुप छुप जुल्म करे हो गोरी तोरे नैना है जादू भरे हो तेरे नैना है जादू भरे हो गोरी तोरे नैना है जादू भरे तीर चले पर देख न पाए छुप छुप वार करे तीर चले पर देख न पाए छुप छुप वार करे ओ कजरा लगा के नजरे घुमा के सीने के पार करे आए तेरे नैना है जादू भरे हो गोरी तोरे नैना है जादू भरे हो हम पे छुप छुप जुल्म करे हो गोरी तोरे नैना है जादू भरे.
Sangeet Samrat Tansen. This movie was the second movie made on the great musical legend Tansen, who was one of the gems of Akbar's court. Story is about his life. As a young child, he is learning music from the great Swami Haridas, and he becomes an amazing singer. And the scouts from the Mughal court come and find him and take him with them to Delhi or Agra, I guess, at that time. And he becomes one of the gems in the Mughal court. And then his life, he's sad because the love of his life is not with him. The music for the movie was by S.N. Tripathi, with Shailendra ji writing all the lyrics, except for two songs which are original Swami Haridas compositions. This song is picturized on Tansen, played by Bharat Bhushan, and he is singing, thinking of his love and wishing that she was with him. From Tansen, Jhoomti Chali Hawa Yaad Aa Gaya Koi by Mukesh ji.
झूमती चली हवा झूमती चली हवा याद आ गया कोई बुझती बुझती आग को फिर जला गया कोई झूमती चली हवा मंजिलें मिट गए हैं रास्ते खो गई हैं मंजिलें मिट गए हैं रास्ते गर्दिशें ही ख्वाहिशें अब है मेरे वास्ते, अब है मेरे वास्ते। और ऐसे में मुझे फिर बुला गया कोई झूमती चली हवा, याद आ गया कोई झूमती चली हवा।
Grihasthi. This was a movie made by S.S. Vasan for Gemini Studios. Rumor has it that he went to the great Shivaji Ganesan, who did not like the story and refused to act in it. So S.S. Vasan decided he would take it to Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar liked the story. It was a very dramatic movie about a man who leads double lives. And you know, there's always a noble reason. This is a Hindi movie. There is a noble reason for why he does it. He's not some kind of a creep. You'll have to watch the movie to find out what it is. It is an entertaining movie. Music is awesome. Shakil Badayuni's lyrics with Ravi Ji's composition of music. This movie, once it was released, enormous hit. Shivaji Ganesan changed his mind and had them remake it in Tamil. Motor Sundaram Pillai, that was the name in Tamil. It was made in Telugu, Manchi Kutumbam. Then it was made in Malayalam as well, Samudram. I know, right? Amazing. A movie that was originally rejected but goes on to be an uber hit in every language they can think of. The songs for this movie were very, very good. Like I said, Ravi Ji with Shakil Saab. Asha Ji has sung this song that I want to share. She won the Mia Tansen Award for this song, and the song was declared the best song of the year that year. So in Asha Ji's gorgeous voice from Grihasthi, Jeevan Jyot Jale.
जीवन ज्योत जले, जीवन ज्योत जले, ओ न जाने कब निकसे दिन और कब रात ढले, जीवन ज्योत जले, जीवन ज्योत जले।
Truck Driver. This is a 1970 movie, I think. It sank without a trace, including the fact that I could not find it anywhere. The star cast was odd. It had Helen, Mohan Choti, and then it had Dev Kumar, who generally played a villain. I have no idea what the story is about this movie. I could not find any kind of reviews about it or anywhere online that I could track down what this movie was all about. Obviously, some story of a truck driver, but beyond that, I have no idea. The music was very nice, especially this particular song. Indivarji's lyrics are so beautiful. Lata ji has sung this song stunningly well. From Truck Driver, Kanha Re Kanha.
कान्हा रे कान्हा
As I mentioned earlier, Rag Sohani translates to Rag Hamsanandi in Carnatic music. In, I think it was the early 80s, a movie came out, Payanangal Mudivudille. R. Sundarajan made this movie. It was a story of a songwriter and singer, Purnima Jairam and Mohan in the lead. It was a tragedy, but very good movie. And because the story was about a songwriter and a singer, the songs were just delightful. Ilayaraja with Vairamuthu, Gangayamaran and Muthulingam writing the lyrics. So the songs were good, not just tune-wise. They were sung beautifully by S.P. Sir and S. Janaki. The lyrics have been strung together very beautifully. This particular song that I would like to share from the movie, it is sung so passionately by S.P. Balasubramaniam. Ragam Deepam Etrum Neram.
ராகதீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ ராகதீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ முதல் முதல் ராகதீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ என் விழியோ கடல் ஆனதம்மா எண்ணங்களோ அலை மோதுதம்மா புது ராகதீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ முதல் முதல் ராகதீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ வாடிடும் என் நெஞ்சம் குளிர்ந்திடுமோ வசந்தமும் என் வாழ்வில் மலர்ந்திடுமோ வாடிடும் என் நெஞ்சம் குளிர்ந்திடுமோ வசந்தமும் என் வாழ்வில் மலர்ந்திடுமோ விழிகள் பாராமல் செவிகள் கேளாமல் கவிதை அரங்கேறுமோ விழிகள் பாராமல் செவிகள் கேளாமல் கவிதை அரங்கேறுமோ தேவி உன் கோயில் வாசல் முன்னாலே காவியத்தேனென பூமியில் முதன் முதல் ராக தீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ முதன் முதல் ராக தீபம் ஏற்றும் நேரம் புயல் மழையோ.
Sagara Sangamam came out in 1983. This movie was a tragedy, but such a brilliant movie. The story is that of this young man who is a great dancer. He falls in love with this young woman who is already married. So he decides to sacrifice his love and, makes the two of the husband and wife reconcile. His dream of becoming a famous dancer also dies when his mother dies on the eve of his performance at a very prestigious national dance festival. His life just continues to sort of spiral down. He becomes an alcoholic and again, many years later, meets his lady love and helps to train her young daughter in dance, and then he dies. This song from the movie is actually the ending of the movie, and it's set in Raga Hamsanandi. It mentions that as well in the song. The music was composed by Ilayaraja with the great Vetturi writing lyrics. And this song has been sung both by S.P. Balasubramaniam and S.P. Sailaja. Vedam Anuvanuvuna Nadam.
పంచ ప్రాణాల నాట్య వినోదం నాలో రేగే నిన్నో హంసానంది రాగాలే వేదం వేదం అణు అణువున నాదం సంగమమే ఒక యోగం నిరిసని రమగ గరమగరిసని నిరిసని రమగ మదని సరే సగారి మగడ మగ మదని తాని దని మరగ మరిగ సాగర సంగమమే ఒక యోగం చార జలధులే క్షీరములాయే ఆమధనం ఒక అమృత గీతం జీవితమే చిరనర్తనమాయే పదములు తామే పెదవులు కాగా పదములు తామే పెదవులు కాగా గుండియలే ఔదియలే మృగా అణు అణువున నాదం.
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please do give me your feedback and suggestions. And for those of you who've subscribed, thank you. And those of you who haven't, please do go and subscribe to my channel and spread the news among your friends and family. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.